Alright, I'm going to show you how to add a team member to the team page and do the photo and all this column stuff. So first thing you want to do is get in there, edit the page. Alright, this I have into sections here, so we've got the columns, as you can see they're divided up. So I want to duplicate a section and just so it can be below the other one. So I'm going to duplicate two things, these two main rows. So I'm going to click on this, or hover over it, sorry, and then click duplicate. Try again. There we go. I'm sorry, that was wrong. I hovered the column within the row, so I need to go to this little wrench and then click duplicate row. There we go. Now I need to drag it down with this little thing in the corner, and I also need to duplicate this row and then drag it down. So now it has, I think that's the main line. Let's just look. We've got a line in between each one and the content. So here's the content. So let's just, content's really easy to edit. You just come in here, change your content, make your changes. If you want to change how the row is laid out, you can literally drag this in between to different widths, or you can come up here and click the little wrench, and so it's 30/70 right now. So if you wanted it 50/50, you can just drag it to 50/50. All right. So, but I want it 30/70. I guess I have to have percentage. 30%, 70%. Okay, there we go, done. Alright, so now we need to edit the photo, or add the photo. Actually, let's just update first. So we need the photo to be the same size as these ones. So it's going to take some Photoshop editing, but or whatever image editing software you use. I'll show you how I do it on mine, but you can click view image. So it works really nice just to copy the image, open it up in Photoshop. Right, so now I know this is the right size. If there's other ways to look at the size, you can open it like I did, like you can right click on it and just click view image, or open a new window or something like that. It depends on your browser. But at the top here you can see that it says it's 200 by 300. But since I copied it, Photoshop is smart enough to know that's what I want. I'm going to take Kelly's image here and stick them into that size. So I'm just going to put this layer on here. It's really zoomed in. And then I can transform the image. And again, you know, every image editing software is different, but I'm doing Command T to transform, and then I can change the size just by dragging. I gotta zoom in here. Do some more dragging. This is almost right. So this image isn't ideal. You can see it's like kind of messed up. So I'm gonna do a little bit of Photoshop work here. Just take this top a little bit, stretch it out, and I'm going to take his suit jacket. This might look a little funky. Oops, not sure. It's not great, but this is for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to save this for the web. You want to save it probably as a JPEG. High quality is fine for this. I'm just going to call it Kelly Medium. Alright, I'm going to go back to my page, edit my page. I'm going to edit that section, which is right here. So we've got this image here. It's centered. I'm just going to go ahead and delete it, and I'm going to click, have my cursors right here in the corner, and I'm going to click Add Media. I'm going to upload a file. Double click. It uploads it. I'm going to say alignment center. Medium creates a 200 by 300 thumbnail automatically, but So you can do medium or full size in this case. Insert into page. There he is, done. Update. And let's refresh. There he is. So we just have to edit this text, obviously. So that's how you do that. Hope that helps.